Welcome to video lecture on importance of marketing by Professor Pankaj Desai. Marketing is very important for an organization. It's had its own advantages and importance. In today's lecture, we are going to see importance of marketing. Definitely, student will learn about the importance of marketing after the end of this lecture. So let's start the importance of marketing. First important of marketing is transfer, exchange and movements of goods. Marketing is very helpful in transfer, exchange and movements of goods. Goods and services are made available to customers through various intermediaries. For example, wholesalers and retailers. Marketing is helpful to both producer and consumers. Second importance of marketing is standard of living. Marketing is above all the giving of standard of living to the community. Paul Musur states marketing is the delivering of standard of living. By making available the uninterrupted supply of goods and services to consumers at reasonable price, marketing has played an important role in raising and maintaining living standards of the community. Next important of marketing is creates employment. Marketing is complex mechanism involving many people in one form or the other. The major marketing functions are buying, selling, financing, transport, warehousing, risk bearing and standardization, etc. In such functions, different mechanisms are used. Next important of marketing is source of income and revenue. The performance of marketing function is all important because it is the only way through which the concern could generate revenue or income and bring in profits. Another importance of marketing is source of new ideas. The concept of marketing is a dynamic concept. It has changed altogether with the passage time. Such changes have for reaching effects on production and distribution. With the rapid change in tastes and preferences of people, marketing has to come up with the same. Next important of marketing is development of an economy. Adam Smith has remarked that nothing happens in our country until somebody sells something. Marketing is the kingpin that sets the economy revolving. The marketing organization, more scientifically organized, makes the economy strong and stable. The lesser the stress on the marketing function, the weaker will be the economy. So these are the importance of marketing. Without marketing, no organization can improve its quality of product or services as well as cannot generate revenue for its respective organization. That's why marketing is very important for any business organization. Thank you for watching this video.